Good morning and welcome to Wild Goose Adventures. So I did a thing. That's right, I bought a push bike. It started off as a little gaunt around home to go and get some fruit and vegetables. It's turned to a little bit more. I started going for longer rides to go for coffee. Now I've been encouraged to go and do a trail. And this is my first trail. I'm going down to Steven Way to Ewen Maddock Dam, where apparently there's a beautiful mountain bike trail. A little bit off-road, but it's supposed to be fantastic. So let's sheet on and go and give it a go. This is it. The new bike, it's specialised. That's what people told me I needed. Hard tail, hydraulic brakes, 10 speed. That's all I need. I'm not after much, but it'll apparently get me through all the things that I will do and a whole heap more. I'm here at the Ewen Maddock Dam, where we're going to have a ride, and apparently lots of ferns in this trail. It goes around the dam and it's about 12 kilometres long. It's all off-road, so let's sheet on and give it a go. I'm not quite sure, but everybody's heading this way. There's a sign over here, so let's sheet on and go and check it out. Here's the track. Here's apparently what it looks like. 10 kilometres, allowed 2 hours. Where 12 kilometres comes from. about 2k's in, and I'm showing that maybe I'm not so good at this after all, but it's lovely. It's lovely being here. There's no pressure. I'm really slow. If it's too much, I just get off and walk, and I've done a fair bit of that. But look down here by the water. It's absolutely lovely. Not a car to be heard, and nobody else. Just beautiful. Time for me to keep going. Well, that's it. 10 kilometres, or however they describe it, done and dusted. We made it, no falls, beautiful, beautiful scenery. Bit tough on the elbows, but you get that. That's it for this episode of Wild Goose Adventures. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like button and subscribe if you would, that'd be totally awesome. And until next time, smooth sailing.